I'm Richard, General Manager at Mercure Abbots Hotel. We offer a hotel, leisure club, pool and have had a relationship with Puddle Ducks for the last 17 years. Jay, who is our sort of franchise lead locally, is super engaged and super professional, and the communication we have is genuinely second to none.
My focus as a franchisee is to make the partnership with our pool providers as seamless as possible. It's really easy to work with Puddle Ducks because the bookings are taken care of by our customer service team, all of the communications are taken care of by Puddle Ducks, so it doesn't create extra noise for them and their normal operating procedures throughout the day.
It's a really, really mutually beneficial relationship. The revenue potential that we have is really significant with Puddle Ducks. We offer discounts to Puddle Ducks families for things like meals in the restaurant, for events, whether that be christenings or weddings or what have you. It's not just about the pool hire, there's other stuff as well that can be built around it.
If you're hiring to Puddle Ducks, you know that everything is going to be above board at all times. All of our teachers are fully qualified, they're DBS checked. Every single tiny little detail is recorded and audited all of the time. We've got all of our own equipment, our own teachers. We bring poolsides along as well with us so that they make sure that the environment's nice and clean and tidy.
I actually am a Puddle Ducks parent myself, and because I knew the brand before starting at the hotel, it made me actually really passionate about making sure the relationship worked.
It's a beautiful pool here, the water's beautifully warm, the air temperature is brilliant, and we now teach here every single day of the week, so it's brilliant for our customers.
There's a huge proportion of families that stay right until the end of the programme as well, so from a sort of revenue generation and development perspective, I think the opportunities are huge.